What up? I'm gonna make a quick video. My phone's only got like 4% left, so yeah. 37's are here, as you can see. They're fucking huge, aren't they? Let's show you from this angle because it's fucking nuts. See how tall that is? It's literally taller than my motorcycle if I rolled that over there. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty sweet. Wheels aren't here yet. They'll be here, I think by Wednesday. So yeah. Oh, there's some parts down there. So I got the MBRP cap back, so I'll be putting that exhaust in and I'll do a video on that. Sorry I'm going fast, but like I said, my battery's gonna die. And I wanted to get a quick video out. Hi doggies. Okay, other stuff. Tie rod, inner and outer, got those. 555, that's like OEM pretty much. I believe these are the hub-centric rings for the wheels. These are the Spider Tracks hub-centric 1.25 inch wheel spacers that I'll be running. This is more gaskets for my valve cover gasket slash intake gasket set I was doing. That over there. You've already seen this, but here is the Bilstein lift. And then I just bought a cold air intake. I found one that was a good deal and went ahead and scooped it up. It's nothing crazy, just black. But I'll be wrapping it in the gold heat wrap, so it'll be gold, I guess. But yeah, just wanted to show you that parts are still rolling in. So get excited. The next video, I'll probably do my exhaust and intake install, but the truck is getting dropped off next weekend for the tubbing, the cutting, and the bumper fabrication, all that stuff. So I actually might have the lift and the 37s on before I can do anything else, just because I want to make sure that's done. And that's when the fabricator is free. So we'll see what happens first. Either way, the next few videos are going to be sick. So stick around. I'll see you in the next one. So I just got done installing LED headlight bulbs, and it's actually I installed a switchback bulb. So it's a single bulb, but it has the capability of 2 different colors. So here's the low beam. It's a super like yellow, like a hyper yellow, so you could have a better contrast at night and in crappy weather. And then this is high beam for distance. Isn't that awesome? It's the same bulb. Just has 2 different diodes on it. So this is high beam, like a 6,000 Kelvin color. Low beam, that's like a 3,000 Kelvin color. That's so awesome. What up? I just want to make another quick video. This is going to be like a 2-parter. The first part will be my Tacoma, which you should have already seen because I think I'm going to put this clip second. The first clip was filmed like 2 or 3 weeks ago when I first got the Tacoma, maybe even long, no, probably 3 weeks ago, maybe 4, when I first got the Tacoma. Quick walk around of it, and you haven't seen much because it pretty much went straight to the fabricator. Like I waited and had a bunch of parts come in, and then actually I took a video of the parts, so I'll insert that clip probably prior to this one as well. So you'll see the Tacoma and then the parts, and then we're to this video. The Tacoma's at the fabricator, which is about an hour away. I'm having a fabricator do it because he has skill and has done this before. This isn't like putting 33s onto an X5, it's 37s onto a Tacoma, so it takes more work. He's gonna professionally cut and tub the fender wells. He's gonna cut the fenders back up like an inch. He's gonna be installing my 3-inch lift kit, all new lower control arms, upper control arms, bushings, tie rod ends, so like a full suspension rebuild. So yeah, you'll see the parts and the clips that came before this, so you'll get to see that. And this is the new daily. So the BMW turned out to be a piece of shit. It had a bunch of problems, and I just didn't want to deal with it. It was a rebuilt title, so it was like something that I didn't really want to put more money into just because it was already tarnished. So this is what I ended up with. I was looking for something extremely comfortable, but also reliable, and this is, if not, this is one of the best, if not the best car that kind of meets those goals. And it's not just me who thinks so. I think this was voted like the best car of the year, and I think it's definitely still regarded as one of the best cars and one of the most reliable cars. So this is a clean title. It's a 2005 Lexus LS430. It's pretty much a rolling lazy boy. It's so comfortable. It even has comfort access. Did you hear it beep when I did that? It's an 05 and it has comfort access. Lights under the mirrors, puddle lights. I'm in the process of putting LEDs in, of course. I put them in the dome. They're in the back door slots too. I just gotta put them in the puddle lights and in the mirrors. So I'll get to that. They're not here yet, but super minty leather interior. Got the wood grain. Seriously, these seats are literally like sitting in a lazy boy couch or a lazy boy love seat. It's amazing. And all the glass is double paned, I believe. As soon as the door shuts, you can't hear anything else. You can only hear interior noise, even at like 80 miles an hour, which is exactly what I wanted. Super comfortable, heated and cooled rear seats. And it may look a little plain, but you gotta remember, this was 2005, so this technology was like nuts for the time. Yeah, just super clean all around. Wheels are a little tarnished, but that's okay. It's just a daily. I say that, but I'm probably gonna do something to it. Here's the rear end. Gotta get my computer screen out. I'm working from home now, thanks to the coronavirus. So we'll see how long that lasts. Maybe it'll let me make more videos that way. But it's a long car, so you can't really see it, but that's the rear end. But yeah, super clean. The only downside is an older couple owned it. I got it from the original owner, and they were smokers. So the interior does have a faint smell of smoke, but I've been looking at methods to get rid of it, and I found a couple tried and true ones. So I'm gonna try the scrubbing method first with, God, I can't remember what it was called. Some super like hard to find degreaser, Citral 266. Super hard to come by. Luckily I found some, and it was like 70 bucks a bottle, but everywhere else it's like 100. So I'm gonna scrub with that. If that doesn't work, then I will just get an ozone generator, and I'll do both, and that should work. The smell's not that bad, but I don't want it in there at all. So yeah, this is the new daily. The Tacoma's either gonna be done Friday or like 2 weeks from Friday, because if the fabricator doesn't finish it Friday, he's going on a vacation for 10 days. So I'm not too worried about it. He's sending me updates like every day. He's a super cool guy. So in the meantime, I just wanted to show you guys the new daily. You guys are fucking annoying with your paws. So yeah, as soon as I get the Tacoma back, we'll do a walk around video of it. It's gonna be nuts, but look forward to that. I'm not gonna do too much to this, maybe wheels and tires once these tires wear out, but other than that, it's a super solid car, the perfect daily. So yeah, stay tuned.